I want my house to be given to my wife. I want my whole savings to be given to my daughter. Good morning, class. How are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. It's English period time. So, since as you heard me when I came in, what I was saying. So I was trying to do a role play, trying to give you a hint of what is going to be today's topic. Okay? Since I was speaking about houses and cars, savings being given to who and who. So what do you think is going to be today's topic? What do you think we're going to be talking about today? Yes, Linda. What do you think we're going to be talking about today? A will, yes. We are going to talk about a will and a testament. It is usually referred to as a will and testament. Okay, now that you know we're going to be talking about a will today, what comes into your mind when you hear the word will? Or should I say last will and testament? What do you think? What comes into your mind when you hear those words? Last will and testament. What do you think? Nomthandazo? What comes into your mind when you hear those words? Will, testament, last will and testament. Yes, you're thinking about someone's wealth being given to someone else. Thank you very much. So, kids, today we'll be talking about a will. So now the question is, what is a will? A will is a legal document whereby a person divides their estate while they are alive in a way that they want their estate to be divided in when they are no longer around. So a will, or should I say the last will and testament, it is when one person writes down in front of witnesses as to how do they want their estate to be divided when they are no longer around. For example, I can say from the things that I have at the moment, I can say I want my cell phone to be given to my little sister when I'm no longer around. I want my laptop to be given to my brother. That's how a will works. It's actually about dividing your estates. And it gives you that satisfaction that you know something of yours will be given to someone that you want it to be given to when you're no longer around. It's unlike passing away without having a will. Then your estate will be divided in a way that you no longer wanted it to be divided into. Maybe you had a brother that you never wanted him to have your things. But then because you did not have a will, that cell phone of yours that you wanted to be given to your sister will be given to that brother. So that is why it is very important, good people, to draft a will. Especially when you have your own homes, you have family members, you have your wife or you have your husband, you have your daughters and sons. It is very important that you write down who is it that you want him or her to take care of your car when you're no longer around? Because every person knows that when I'm no longer around, I want my car to be given to my brother, whoever, because you know that person is careful. He or she has very good care. That is why I encourage you to have wills when you are a little bit older, when you have your own wealth and estate. You need to have wills, and also encourage your parents to draw wills, because when they pass away without having wills, family starts having quarrels. So today, guys, we will be talking about a will and a testament, the importance of having a will. How is a will read? Who reads the will? Why is it important to have witnesses when you're writing your will? And all those kind of things, so that you also be aware of the importances of writing a will when you're older. And also telling your parents to write their wills, because passing away is something that comes to everybody. And it even comes when you least expected it. So guys, please be aware of the will. Do write a will. Do encourage your parents to write their wills. Yes. So now we'll get into the development